Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve Amazon interview question. The question was uh, to find top k frequent elements. For example, we are given an vector where elements are given and we are given k. So we have to find on those k elements which occur maximum number of times. This question was asked in Amazon interview question and it was asked in an on-site round. So to solve this question, we need to maintain an frequency count for each element. For example, the here in the some example one, the one occurred three times. So we wrote this frequency three, two occurred two times, and three occurred one. So we have to find top k frequent elements. So here the answer is uh, 1 and 2 because they occurred maximum number of times. Now, how to solve this problem? To solve this problem, first of all, we need to maintain an map which will store the frequency of each element. So let's do it. Oh, I forgot to initialize the map. Let's do it. Loaded map int. Okay. Now we have stored the frequency in the map. For example, frequency of 1 is 3, 2 is 2, 3 is 1 in the map. Now we need to push those uh, things into the priority queue. So why we use priority queue? Because priority queue act like mean heap. So it will maintain a structure where it will keep the high priority element on the top, so we can access them directly. So let's do it. Now iterate map and add into priority queue. For auto it is equal to Now you must be wondering why did we push IT second and IT first? So it is an structure like we are pushing frequency and element. So we are pushing in priority queue like first the element will be frequency. For example, here it's 3 and then there will go element. So now when we push in priority queue, it will automatically rearrange uh, because it is internally uses max heap. So we don't have to worry about ordering. So it will maintain and max heap ordering. Now we will iterate a priority queue or to get top k elements. So we will make an count. Now we need element. So we will take the second element from the priority queue. So v dot push back pq dot top means first element dot uh, second. So it will be the element, and now we will pop the first element. Okay, increase count. Okay, and we need to define vector here. So that's it. I guess this will work. Let's try to run it. So yes, it's working. Let's submit. Cool, accepted. Faster than 63.96 C++ submissions. So that's it. That was the question. and this is our solution. I hope you understand, and you can solve this problem for an Amazon interview question. Thank you.